There's a decency chicken at diesel, so it's making a noise for it.
So you did occasionally run past the trains?
Yeah, we had it
Oh yeah. He's a little man there.
This one's definitely my favourite.
More into do stuff.
Yeah, but
Yes.
sometimes tiny takes a lot longer. And sometimes they're not as detailed. Like, I know that one's really detailed, but like the Class 08s, they don't have the outer coupling and then the bogey over the front, whereas mine does. They wouldn't be able to do that on N. They have.
It's bigger here. Oh, Daddy.
My wife's not so much involved.
That's perfect.
My wife, it's out of size.
Oh, my Thomas.
It's just...
Thomas won't use that. What
So when they get this
Sorry it's so short and there's not that much of it, but the little things that I did film I thought were quite cool. Now you guys are probably wondering, Kyle, so what did you buy there? I'm glad you asked. I bought a Bachmann, one of the original Bachmann models of the standard Class 4 mixed traffic, double chimney. It does come with a tender, but at the moment I'm taking the sticky label stuff off of it. A pack of 3 old Hornby Pullman coaches. These will go really nicely with my other brake coach, and I didn't get it for 20, I got it for 18. I got this for 27. The woman there was really nice, you could see I was young, and I paid really cheap. Loads of the trains there, really old, but they're in mint condition. I've run this, runs perfect. Now, time for the best, but you probably don't think so. I'm a big fan of the tugboats and Theodore the Tug. This I got for £3 off eBay just before I went on holiday, and look who I found. Now George I was looking around for, from Theodore, I was looking around for, and he goes for about £20. I got him for £1. Now he is in the box, which normally means he goes for more on eBay, but because I am a child inside, this is what I'm going to do. If I don't know whether you can see this. Put it on. I am a child at heart. I want to play with my tug. It's even got wheels on the bottom, so this is awesome. So that's probably the favourite thing I've got, so I'll just show you the back. George! You can read that, I'm not reading it, do you? So, probably my favourite things that I've got today were these two. This because it was really cheap and looks amazing and is a great runner. That because I'd normally have paid £20 for it on eBay. Not this, but I still really like this.